Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the WEN 10PMC 10-inch waxer polisher. This high-performance polisher is equipped with a 120-volt, 0.75 amp permanent magnet motor and delivers an impressive 3200 orbits per minute. Its high-impact insulated housing ensures durability and longevity. But that's not all. The WEN 10PMC also comes with a range of accessories, including a 10-inch applicator bonnet, 10-inch polishing bonnet, 10-inch wool blend polishing bonnet, washing mitt, and a convenient storage case to keep everything organized. Whether you're a professional detailer or a DIY enthusiast, this polisher is perfect for removing scratches, haze, swirls, and oxidation from your vehicle's paint. It's also great for buffing and waxing furniture, countertops, and other surfaces. So, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile polisher, be sure to check out the WEN 10PMC 10-inch waxer polisher. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.